guys, thanks for checking in. Hey, Grant Davis here with GDI Insurance Agency. Hey, I wanted to just take a minute and tell you about this new program that we finally got off the ground. Been working on it since '07. It's called Price Drop Protection Plus, and here it is. What we've done is we focused on families that are trying to buy new homes in today's environment. We thought about two things that could make it a little scary. Number one, what if you buy the house and it goes down in value after you buy it? And then the second thing, what if you buy the house and you lose your job right after you buy it? Well, what we've done is we put together this program, Price Drop Protection Plus. What makes our program very unique and the right program for you to consider is it's backed by an A-rated insurance company. And if you think about A-rated insurance companies, just let me regress here for a second. When you buy that house and you get home insurance, the bank, to accept it, it has to be an A-rated insurance company. Your life insurance, it's A-rated insurance companies. Ratings for insurance companies, an A-rated insurance company just says that they're well run, they're going to be here for the long term, they're financially sound, they're in good shape. So we've got a product here backed by an A-rated insurance company, which makes our product very special compared to anything else that we've seen thus far. Here's the deal. It's gonna cover 20% of the market value of your new home, just so I can do this in my mind for a period of time. So let's say you bought your house for $300,000. And after 3 years, you got to keep the house 3 years. After 3 years, and before the 8th year, so you got 5 years, from 3 to 8 years, you sell your house for less than you paid for it. Let's say you sold it for $240,000. That's a 20% loss that you've taken. You sold your house for 20% less. Well, with our product, you just turn that in. And we say, okay, gee, you paid $300, you sold it for $240. There's one more comparison. We look at the Case Shiller data for your area, and if it only went down 15%, you sold it for 20% less, your claim is going to be limited to the 15%. But if it went down 20 and your house went down 20, then you're going to actually get the 20% back. The plus, what we say plus is because we thought, well, gee, what happens in the first 3 years that would keep you from keeping your house for the first 3 years? And what happened if you lost your job? Well, that's what we thought of. Well, you know what, in the first 3 years, so after 6 months, it's not good for the first 6 months, but after 6 months, if you lose your job, we'll pay up to $1,500 a month for another 6 months. So in that first 3 years, for up to 6 months, we'll pay $1,500 a month if you lose your job. The idea is not to make your whole payment or this and that, but the idea would be if you thought about, oh, I'm getting unemployment and this and that, and you had that 6 months worth of help, the idea is that, okay, you can keep your house and get to that third year. And in the third year, if you sold your house for less, year 3 through 8, you sell your house for less, then you can turn that in and get reimbursed. So what we've tried to do is take the risk away of buying a house today. So how do you get it? What's the deal? Contact your housing developer, your builder, your realtor, or your bank, your lender. Have them contact us, and we'll give you all the details and tell you all about it. This is backed by an A-rated insurance company, which makes this a safe transaction. So we're really happy to be able to bring this to the forefront. There's a little bit more detail down the page. The biggest deal is right above here is that phone number up there. Go ahead and give us a call if you have any questions. But that's it in a nutshell, and we're actually hoping this makes today the best day ever. So if you're sitting on the fence and you don't want to buy a new house because you're worried about losing your job maybe, or for a short term, or you're worried that, gee, I'm going to buy the house and it's going to go down, we just took care of those two things, and we have it all backed by an A-rated insurance company for your family safety. Thank you so much. Look forward to hearing from you.